It's Sioris from Ohlolly. Today I want to share with you this beautiful travel kit from the natural brand Sioris. Sioris uses fresh, natural, and gentle ingredients that are safe for the entire family. They are cruelty-free and their products are made without parabens, artificial fragrances, additives, or harmful chemicals. This kit comes in a neat little package and includes 4 perfectly sized skincare for travel. Here's a daytime cream, cleansing gel, hand and body milk, and this super hot, already loved by many, mist. So the day by day cleansing gel is low pH, so gentle and so effective. It gets rid of all the daily grime without being too harsh on the skin, and it also smells amazing. The time is running out mist is quickly becoming a cult favorite. You shake this first before misting. The combination of oils and essence together does so much. It refreshes, hydrates, and nourishes all at once, and it's great for all skin types too. The Stay With Me Day Cream is a great lightweight moisturizer that provides lasting hydration. I love how soft my skin feels all day. The Always With You Body and Hand Milk. This is so rich and yet quick absorbing and long lasting. It's not greasy whatsoever and it's perfect for my dry hands. Now check it out. This is Sioris' very own makeup bag. It's chic and versatile and sized perfectly to hold these 4 products, plus my other travel essentials like my lip gloss and mascara. Enjoy!